Good morning, children. Let us have a revision on the portion of the grammar which we have seen yesterday. We have seen present simple tense. Of course, the structure of simple present tense. And what is the structure of simple present tense? Now, listen and look at the blackboard carefully. If yesterday you have not paid attention and if you did not understand it, or if you have not understood it, if you have not got it, pay careful attention to it. See here, with I, with we, with you, with they, first person singular, first person plural, second person both singular or plural, and third person plural or any other plural noun plus V1. For example, I play, we play, you play, they play. Right? See the formula. We plus V1, I plus V1, you plus V1, they plus V1. Example is in front of you. I play, we play, you play, they play. Okay, got it? And of course, as I have promised you already, the uses of the tenses we have seen later on. And now, use if there is he, she, it. With he, with she, with it. Use yes if the last word of the verb is consonant. Use yes to the verb and use es to the end of the verb if the verb ends in vowel. For example, see here, he plays, she plays, and Gopal plays. Okay. See the formula. With he, she, it, use yes or es to V1. So formula will be like this: he plus e, yes, to main one, she plus yes, to main one. He plus yes to main verb. Example: he plays, she plays, it plays. And we should now go a little further. See here, present continuous tense. Formula: and, is, are. This shows present tense. This shows present time. Am present tense, we present tense, are present tense, are present tense, is present tense. And don't forget to give the participle of ing to the main verb. This is V1. V1, for example, play is V1. Okay, and ed is V2, ed is V3. So I am playing, am present tense, playing continue. We are plus V1 plus ing. Example: we are playing cricket. You are plus V1 plus ing. Example: you are playing cricket. They are plus V1 plus ing. Example: they are playing cricket. He, she, it plus and is are means is plus V1 plus ing. So this will show the tense and this will show action. So he is playing, she is playing, or Gopal is playing, or Sita is cooking. Okay, boys. And negative sentence we also have seen. Just add not after form of to be in between verb and form of to be. See how the sentence will be. I am not playing, we are not playing, you are not playing, they are not playing, she, he, it is not playing. Okay. Then we have seen interrogative sentence. Take this here, present tense to be, present tense to be. Take first. If you take this here, so it will be am I playing cricket? Okay, are you understanding? Have you got it? Now take this are here. Are we playing cricket? Take this form of to be before subject. The sentence will be are we playing cricket? Interrogative sentences continue present tense. Take is here and make the sentence. Oh yes, make it. He is playing. Now take this is here. Is he playing cricket? Is she playing cricket? Is Gopal playing cricket? This is interrogative sentence continue present tense. Okay. And negative interrogative. Negative interrogative. Just add not. I am playing cricket. Aren't they playing cricket? Aren't they playing cricket? Isn't he playing cricket? Isn't she playing cricket? Like this. Oh yes, we have forgotten negative of this sentence. I play cricket. Do I play cricket? We play cricket. Do we play cricket? You play cricket. Do you play cricket? They play cricket. Do they play cricket? Interrogative, simple present tense. And now, he plays cricket. Does he play cricket? Does she play cricket? Does Gopal play cricket? Simple present tense, interrogative sentence. Now, interrogative, negative. Doesn't he play? Now, do not I play cricket? Do not we play cricket? Do not you play cricket? Do not they play cricket? Doesn't he play cricket? Doesn't she play cricket? Doesn't Gopal play cricket? Negative, interrogative. In this way, continue present tense. Okay, we have seen it yesterday. But remember one thing: some verbs are there related to this portion of body. Here is heart. The verb related to verb, the verb related to heart can never be done into continued present tense. For example, the word love is related to heart. If I say I love my school, that is only correct. If you say that I am loving my school, no. If you say he thinks so, right? But if you say that he is thinking so, wrong. He feels sad. It is related to heart. Whichever the word related to heart can never be changed into continue present tense. Okay. Now there is in this box there is heart, and the word related to the heart can never be changed into continuous present tense. Second, now we should go further ahead. So now this head is also very important. Now start with the eyes. The word related with the eyes, for example, see, perceive, watch. These words cannot be changed into continuous present tense. The word related to ear can never be changed into continue present tense. For example, I listen, not I am listening. I hear, not I am hearing. Okay? And now, heart, eyes, ear, and nose. For example, smell. You only can say smell, not smelling. And now, heart, eyes, ear, nose. And now, brain. These are the very important part of the body. This is also called perceptive senses. Brain, think, forget, remember, rememorize, recall. All these words related to brain cannot be changed into continue present tense. Remember it forever in your life. Okay, boys? In this way, we have seen present simple tense, positive, negative, interrogative, interrogative, and negative. We have seen continue present tense, positive, okay, then negative, interrogative, interrogative, and negative. Now, we should go further. Today's topic is present perfect tense. Okay? Have you got all this? Have you understood all this? Okay? Then shall I have this? Come on. In short, time, present, simple, time, present, continue. Here V1, here and is plus V1 plus, and now we are going to see time, present, perfect. See, simple, present, present continuous, and third, present perfect tense. Okay, boys? Because simple action in the second stage become continuous action, and if the action started, it will be done. It will be completed after a few minutes or after a few seconds, isn't it? For example, I am reading my book. I read my book, simple present tense. I am reading my book, present continuous. Now, the action of reading, do you think that will never come to an end? After a few minutes, the action of reading will come to an end. It will be completed. It will be completed. So it is perfect. It will be perfect present tense. And now, for the structure of is as, have, shows present tense. Has also shows present tense. For example, I, we, you, they. Then he, she, it. He, she, it has. Okay, guys. With I, with we, with you, with they, use have. Okay. See again. I will repeat it. With I, with we, with you, with they, use have. Second. With he, with she, with it, use has. Okay, this is the first stage of this structure. And this have and has show present tense. It never shows that action is completed. It only shows present tense, and so it is called also helping verb of present tense. They help to the main verb. They help the main verb. They do the work of showing tense only. Have shows present tense, has shows present tense. This is the first stage. This is the first stage. Write down this formula in your notebook. Second, PP means past participle. It is not present participle. It is past participle. V1, V2, V3. This is this past participle. This is present tense, past tense, and past participle. This PP shows that an action is completed, means perfect. See here. First formula have has. Okay. Second, V3 means past participle is equal to perfect. Now what will be your formula, boys? See here, formula will be like this. Have, has plus PP, past participle of main verb. Just finish. This is have has is equal to present tense and perfect, and the formula will present perfect. Okay, present perfect. Time or tense. See here from the beginning. Present simple okay. Present continue okay. The formula is written here. V1 present simple M is R plus V1 plus ing present continue. And now see the formula of present perfect tense. How has plus V3 on V3 is equal to present perfect tense. Now see again, make the formula. In the perfect present tense, remember two things. Have has plus P3. Have has plus PP. Very simple formula. Have has plus PP. This will show present tense and this will show perfect. Just a minute. ठीक है? Have has present tense, PP perfect. So present perfect. Present perfect. Now we have seen that the formula of present perfect tense is have has plus V3. Okay? See, try to write it down. Okay? Now shall I rub this? If you have understood it, I am going a little step forward. See here. Structure is what? Structure is use with I, with we, with you, with they, use have. With he, she, it, use has. Okay? This is the first stage. Don't forget to use the third form of the verb in front of have or has. Because boys, being helping verb of present tense, have has shows present tense. Who will show you action? PP will show you action. PP means perfect. So now try to combine have has and PP. From have has present tense and from PP perfect present tense. Okay, now shall I rub this? Come on. Now again see here, the structure of present perfect tense is subject plus have, has plus PP. For example, I, we, you, they have PP, play cricket. Have present tense and underline perfect. Past participle of main verb. Present perfect. He, she, it. Just a minute. He, she, it. Has plus PP. Example, has played. See the example, boys. Now, according to the structure, I have played cricket. You have played cricket. I have played cricket. We have played cricket. You have played cricket. They have played cricket. He has played cricket. She has played cricket. It has played cricket. Okay? How has present tense, and this is perfect. So now bring this together, present perfect tense. Okay? Now I, we, you, they, he, she, it. This is second group of subject. This is first group of subject. Here have plus PP. Here has plus P. Example. I have learned grammar. See, this is PP, this is present tense. I have learned grammar. How present tense? Learn perfect. We have learned grammar, you have learned grammar, they have learned grammar. And now, he has learned grammar, she has learned grammar, it has learned grammar. This is from have and has. This is present tense, and from PP it is perfect. Only two things you have to remember, boy. First, have has. These are the helping verb of present tense, so they show present tense. Isn't it? And PP, remember it forever, shows that action is perfect. PP is used in two ways. First, it is used in perfect present tense, past perfect tense, and future perfect tense. And then, second use of PP is in passive voice. Finish. Will you not remember only two things? The uses of PP. The first uses of PP is in perfect present tense. The first use of PP is in past perfect tense. The first use of PP is in perfect future tense, and the second use of PP is in passive voice. For example, we have learned grammar. They have learned grammar. You have learned grammar. She has learned grammar. He has learned grammar. Okay? ED is used, PP is used in perfect present tense. For example, past tense. I had learned grammar. We had learned grammar. They had learned grammar. You had learned grammar. She had learned grammar. He had learned grammar. Gopal had learned grammar. Okay? The use of PP is in perfect, respectively present, past and future. And then, grammar has been learned by all these subjects. Grammar has been learned. So, in this way, PP is used in perfect, respectively present, past and future in active voice, and it is used in passive voice. Okay, boys? And now see, if you have understood this structure, let me repeat it again. Subject plus have has plus PP. This is the sole structure, S-O-U-L. This is the sole S-O-U-L. This is the sole structure of present perfect tense. Okay, keep in the box of your brain, keep in the box of your heart that how and has shows present tense and PP shows that action is perfect. From how has present tense, from PP perfect. Okay boys, and now see, we will do positive, negative and interrogative and negative. Have you taken this on? Have you written it down in your exercise book? Shall I rub this on? See here. I learn grammar. I am learning grammar. I have learned grammar. Boys, don't forget encircling and underline. Get the formula. Circle is equal to tense and underline is equal to action. And now present tense. See ya. हो गया सर?